the memory paradigm problem of having access is not today's problem. Ever since we started doing, even the 4004 CPUs that Dr. Chambers presented, the memory hierarchy was always there. You would get in the CPU design, in the classic CPU design, you would go take a look at the level 0 cache, which is very close to the arithmetic and logic unit, has higher bandwidth, but you can only have so much in memory. Level 0 went to level 1 to level 2. And as you moved up the memory hierarchy, the bandwidth decreased and the latency increased. So the gravity well today is memory, and you need to reinvent the fundamental nature of architecting the memory, which means near memory compute or in-memory compute is a classic problem that we have had and it's exacerbated because of the way we want the user experience in inferencing. Now, we have to take a look at it fundamentally to re-architect at the system level. How do we bring the energy and the timeline of these massive data transfers closer? So tokens are processed faster and delivered faster. So think about it as you need to bring memory closer and pools of memory. So one of the techniques is CXL, or Compute Express Link. And you take a look at where GPU or CPU is and Compute Express Link really helps us having cache coherent access to multiple copies of memory. Going back to the restaurant example, if the menu that the chef is doing has multiple different variations, then you don't get the exact same dish that somebody wants to come and pay. It has to be repeatable. So going back to this, the memory has to have similar copies to provide the same data. So CXL is a very important piece.